Hello guys. This week has passed half. Hope everything goes well with you. Have you watched the profile grinding workshop introduced last time? Today I will turn to channel of CNC workshop. As we all know, CNC machining technology can achieve high production efficiency under the condition of multi-variety and small batch production, which can reduce the time for preparing work, machine tool adjustment and process inspection, and reduce the cutting time due to the use of the optimal cutting amount. CNC machining technology is also very friendly to bulk quantity of aluminum parts processing. Now please follow my steps and visit our CNC workshop together. We usually machine the die inserts, tooling plates and punches here. There are 24 sets CNC equipment, and the minimum precision can reach 0.01 mm. Makino CNC equipment is from Japan. It can double our machining efficiency. Well, if you want to machine an auto tooling plate up to 1900 mm in length, you may need a CNC machine with a larger stroke. Fortunately, we have one. Its maximum stroke can reach 2100 mm in length and 1300 mm in width. In the next video, we will introduce our slow wire cutting workshop. Follow us and see you next time.